Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. So I haven't vlogged in a really long time just because my life has gotten so hectic. I started doing webinars and they kind of just took over my life, and honestly I just haven't been feeling well. If you can't tell already, I cried this morning, which is why my eyes look kind of glossy and puffy. I've just been having a lot of anxiety lately, and I'm just I don't know. I'm just trying to get my life back together. So I haven't really been vlogging, but I thought I'd get back into vlogging this week because I had so many people message me being like, when are you going to post another vlog? So yeah, and I do actually miss vlogging too. So yeah, I just thought I'd get back into it because it is something that makes me happy to do. Things have been kind of boring because in Ontario, we went back into another lockdown, shutdown, whatever you want to call it, stay at home order. I don't know. Our government is so stupid and I don't think they know what they're doing anymore. And the rules here are so confusing. I'm just so over it. I'm just hoping that we can get our vaccinations soon. But I don't think everyone in the population will be able to get their vaccinations until probably end of summer, beginning of fall. Whatever. That's a whole nother rant for another day. Anyways, let's get into what's going on today. Today's Monday and I am going to be just filming a few things. I am looking for a summer intern as well, so I have a few interviews set up for today. And I also want to start figuring out more of my webinar stuff. I think I'm actually going to start a Patreon, a membership program type of thing, but I got to look into all that stuff. So that's what my day is going to be taken up by. Right now I'm just going to do my makeup before I start doing my interviews, and then I'll keep you guys updated with the rest of the day. Today's also meal prep day, so you guys will get to see that as well. All right, I finished up my interview. I cried a few more times because I just do not feel good today. And now we are doing some meal prep. So Vikra is making some chicken and pasta over there. I cut up some salad and some veggies for the pasta. And now I'm gonna chill out because I just don't feel good. Happy Wednesday, guys. So Vikra and I have been working all day and we are exhausted. I have my webinar tomorrow, so I was practicing my presentation all day and just tweaking it and fixing it up and all that stuff, just preparing for my webinar in general. And Vikra and I are so exhausted from working all day that we decided to treat ourselves, and we're gonna go grab some pizza, and we also are gonna stop by the gas station and grab some dessert from the gas station because that's our thing. We used to do that all the time. When we were dating, we would just go to the gas station and grab chocolates and ice cream and all that good stuff. So that is our plan for tonight. I will show you guys the pizza that we get because it's supposed to be good, you said? What was the place called?
Delicious. I'm gonna butcher it. We'll just tell you when we get there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Are those your picks?
Yeah,
These are my picks. Let's do this. This reminds me of old times when we used to go on gas station runs and get our candies.
on our hotel nights, we would go do a gas station run and get a bunch of shit.
Yeah, well, we used to stay over at hotels and we used to get ice cream. All right, Navona, let's do it. Open it up. Show the people what they want to see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That looks good. That looks really good, actually.
That looks delicious.
Happy Thursday, guys. So this morning I went and I grabbed myself an ice cap because I was craving some caffeine. But this morning was a little bit rough. I woke up, I felt really, really anxious, and then I went back to sleep. I also cried a little bit, which was fun, but it was a good release of emotions. I'm supposed to be getting my period. I actually kind of got it. It's at the beginning stages right now. And I'm just waiting for the full flow to come in because I want it to be over with. This week has been pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie, which is why on Monday and Wednesday when I did vlog, it wasn't a lot of vlogging. I was just struggling a lot. Even Monday I cried 3 times. And then Monday night I actually had not a panic attack, but I did sob like at night. Like it was really bad. Like I cried so much, like to the point where I couldn't breathe properly, and like my nose was all stuffed and stuff like that. I'll put a picture here for you guys because this is what I look like after I was done crying. And I'm laughing because like the reason I was crying was not even a bad reason. Like on Monday, Vikra did a lot to take care of me because I really wasn't feeling well on Monday. Like I was so in my head, super anxious. And just throughout the day, he did a lot of nice things to make me feel loved and taken care of. Like for example, I was like sitting in bed and like he came to like just check up on me, and I just started crying, and then he like came and like just sat in bed with me and like held me and like just sat there with me for like 20 minutes or so, as like I kind of fell asleep and calmed down and stuff like that. It just like made me feel so loved. And so at night, Vikra was like talking to me, and he was like, I just wanted to make sure that you felt okay today, and I was like trying really hard to like take care of you. I hope you like noticed that. And like I was like, I did notice that. And then I like just started sobbing because I was like, people never used to treat me like this. Like no, like I would always be the one going out of my way to like make sure everyone was okay and whatever. Not so much with my family, but more so with my friends, I would say, just because like I had a bit of a disconnect with my family growing up. But with my friends, I would always be the one that like made sure that they were okay, and like I would go out of my way, but like no one ever really did that for me. And like growing up, I never really felt that people like took care of me too much. Like I felt like I was pretty independent. And when I had like problems and like issues with my feelings and all that stuff, no one really asked me how I was doing, or if I was okay or if I needed to be taken care of. It was just like something I did for myself. Like I would handle it myself, and I just like wouldn't talk to anyone about it. So like the fact that Vikra sat there and talked to me about it and like took care of me and like saw that I was down and like took care of all that stuff. Oh my god, I'm like tearing up now just thinking about it. Yeah, that just like really got to me, and I like started sobbing. Like I started like full out crying, and just like having that realization that I have someone in my life that would do that for me. So it was like more of like a joyous cry, when you're just like so happy that you were just like bawling your eyes out. It was definitely one of those. And yeah, and I was just so grateful in that moment. And it was also a moment where I started to realize like how normal my life has become, because over the last like 4 or 5 years, like things have been such a roller coaster for me, trying to figure out my health problems, like my PMDD, like what happened to me on birth control, just all that stuff was really traumatizing. Like it gave me so much anxiety, so much depression, and I finally started like coming out of that and started seeing the light. And I'm not having as many depressive episodes or anxious episodes. I'm not having like anxiety attacks almost every day like I used to, and it's such a change from what like the last couple of years of my life has been. So now I'm coming to a point where I'm like, wow, things are actually kind of stable. I feel kind of normal. It feels really weird because I'm so used to this like chaos that like now that everything's kind of still, it almost kind of scares me a little bit, because I'm like, when are things going to go wrong? And that's such a wrong way of thinking, and I'm trying to like unlearn that. But that's what it feels like, because I was in survival mode for so long. So feeling this sense of normalcy and calm is just such a foreign feeling to me. So yeah, I've just been trying to kind of cope with that a little bit. And I'm grateful that that's my struggle that I need to cope with right now, because it just shows how far I've come from where I was. But yeah, that's a little, I guess, update on my life. Also, for my birthday, I got Vikra to buy me the NYX period panties. My birthday is next month, like it's still far away, but I told him to buy them for me because I wanted to use them for this period, and that would just like be my birthday present, because they're kind of expensive. It was like $150 for 5 pairs of underwear, which is a little bit expensive, but like if you think about it now, I don't need to buy pads if these work. So that was my birthday present to myself, and I am wearing them right now. Like I said, I just started my period. It's not like fully coming out yet. Like it's coming out little by little. But I know in probably the next couple of hours or by the end of the day that it's going to be like a heavy flow. So I'll keep you guys updated with how well these period panties work, because I'm really excited if they do work, because I never have to buy or wear pads again. Like right now I'm wearing them and they're pretty comfortable. And the one that I got is like the super absorbency. So they're supposed to hold about like 8 tampons worth of period blood. So I'm really hoping that this will work for me, especially because like my first couple of days I'm pretty heavy and I usually leak at least once or twice. I've had some like really bad leaking episodes. So we'll see how well these work, but today has been just already such a roller coaster, and it's only like 11 o'clock in the morning right now. So I'm hoping it'll get better. I'm feeling really low energy, but I'm still trying to film. And then I have my webinar later on tonight, which is, I don't know how I'm going to have the energy for that, but I'm going to have to find it. And I really hope it goes well, because, you know, sometimes when you're just not fully there, presenting like that can be really hard, but I'm going to muster up that energy and then I'll keep you guys updated. I just want to quickly show you guys what the period panties look like. And yes, I'm wearing like yoga pants with a sequence dress right now because I'm filming and the bottom of my legs get cold. But okay, I got an extra small, and this is the super absorbency one, and this is the boy short style, so it like covers everything. But you can see the pad part is pretty like, it's not like super thick, but it's like, it's still a little bit thicker, you can kind of tell, but it's not anywhere close to like how thick a pad is or feels. And I'm wearing it right now and it feels so comfortable. Like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing any type of like pad or anything like that. It's like super comfy, easy to move around in. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. All right, I'm about to start my webinar for today. All right, I just finished up my webinar and I also filmed a whole bunch of content. I filmed this look here. All the glitter is starting to get into the cut crease. Whatever, I'm over it. But yeah, I filmed a whole bunch of content today. I did my webinar. It went really well. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I had a really great turnout too. This is the biggest turnout I've ever had in a class. So yeah, I'm just really happy about that. But now I am exhausted and I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the night because I'm over it. I'm so tired. And I also fully got my period now, so my body is just like drained and I need to go to sleep because everything hurts and it's just been a really long day. Happy Friday, guys. So today Vikra and I are just going out to get some coffee. Right, Vikra?
Yes, sir.
And Vikra starts his summer hours today, which means he gets half days on Fridays at work. And
except I'm not taking it today.
He's not even using it today. But are you excited? Are you excited for your summer hours?
I love summer hours, man. They extended it this year because we've all been working like crazy, and they realized that, so they extended it. It goes all the way till September, and it's freaking awesome. I love it, man. Kickstarts your weekend. It kickstarts your weekend, and it's like it's a good mental break.
I'm jelly. I want summer hours. Maybe I should talk to my boss.
You have everyday hours.
What does that mean?
You take time off whenever you want, when you want.
Yeah, because I'm my own boss. But yeah, we're going to go get some coffee right now. Probably also grab some lunch and then get back to work. And hopefully tonight we get to chill out and do nothing because everything's still in lockdown in Toronto. What the fuck? We are headed out for a walk because there's nothing else to do. I can't believe Ontario is still in a lockdown.
An extended stay-at-home order. Apparently, the police can pull you over and ask you where you're going all of a sudden now. I don't know when that law passed, but that's interesting.
I hate it here. Someone save me. Happy Saturday, guys. So it is currently 4 o'clock and I am sitting on my studio floor unboxing a whole bunch of shit. As you can see, there is a massive mess all around me. I'm just trying to clean up my studio. It's an absolute disaster and it's been kind of giving me anxiety because like I just haven't cleaned it in a really long time. I really need to learn how to like keep my place clean instead of like doing it all at once because that's what gets really overwhelming, but I'm just awful at that. So I'm trying to get as much as I can done. I also got the bathrooms cleaned this morning and vacuumed all of upstairs. So I'm feeling pretty good. Today was just like a cleaning day. Okay, I have slowly started to put things away, but there is a huge disaster all over my room and I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. I've been doing this since like 2 o'clock and it's already like 5:30. Okay, we're going on our daily walk because that's all we get to do now.
Yes, we are.
At least it's still sunny outside. What time is it? It's like 6 something. So at least it's still sunny outside right now. But I hate it here. Happy Sunday, guys. So Vikra and I just went for a walk. There's this like beautiful forest behind our house. So we just went for a walk there. I have been crying all morning and all of last night because I just like had an episode with my period and just had a lot of anxiety. So you can see my eyes are like super puffy. So we thought we'd go on a walk, kind of help calm me down and like be by the water. I mean, that's not really the nicest water, but it's better than nothing. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and hopefully this makes me feel calm again. I'm still feeling depressed as fuck. So we got some sushi and hopefully this will cheer me up. This and a good night's sleep. I forgot to film the end of my vlog on Sunday, so here's me filming it now. I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining me in another weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I really did miss vlogging, so I appreciate you being patient with me as I kind of get back into vlogging. But yeah, if you did like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for all the love and support you show me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!